Your map has been updated to what we call Dynamic Labels version 2. The nice thing about Dynamic Labels version 2 is they don't count as markers, which means they don't take up a lot of memory, and so the map will perform a lot better. On the back end, they look very similar, but you'll be able to see them on the CMS. So I just turn off this category. You can actually see the labels on the CMS. If you want to make a change to one of them, and I do want to make a change to this one, I'm going to put on this category so I can see that marker. To move this one right here, just go to building labels. I'm just going to search for it. So Control F, I'm going to haul, click on edit. And to move that marker, first I'm going to delete it and then click a new marker. Click and then place it. So I'm going to put it right there. So that should be the new placement. Once I save, you will see once it refreshes, the label will move to that location right there. So, and that's it. If you want to move some labels around, you can move them around. If you want to add labels, it's the button right here, Add Label. So let's just add a label right here. I don't know. Let's say we really like this guy right here. To add a label, use the Add Label. And if you want to put an abbreviation, you can. So when you zoom out, it might get smaller. And I did that on some of these. I'll show you, like Coliseum. But when you zoom in, it kind of shows the whole name. So if you want to put an abbreviation, you can. So, you know, Delta Z, we'll say. And you put it on a category, building labels, and then just hit save. Oh, first you got to put a marker, of course. So I like to put my marker right under the pin, and then hit save. And you should see it right there. When you publish, there's another tab for labels. You can go to labels and you can publish it. So I don't want that one, but I do want this one. So let's go ahead and publish it. And that is a quick little overview of labels. And one more thing. I was trying to think if that was everything, but you might want to know about the zoom visibility. So there's zoom visibility and the abbreviation zoom. So right now when you look at the map, come to the map, and we are at zoom, if I show the slider, we're at zoom 16 right now. If we go in 17, we can see the labels. If I go on again 18, I can see the labels actually change to the big label. And you have control over that in the back end. So right here, you can turn on the abbreviations at zoom level 17. So when I zoom out to 17, that gets to be a shorter name. And when I zoom past 17, it gets to be a longer name. So greater or equal to 17 gives me that, and then the 17 right there. And that's how you get something like this. I like it when you come to the map, you get to see the graphic. You're not bombarded with a lot of text everywhere, but you can change that to whatever you want on the back end. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.